Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So today, as you can see, I did use coconut oil to cleanse my face for 7 days, and I was amazed at the results. Now, this is what I did. I did substitute my cleanser with coconut oil. So basically, when I wake up in the morning or in the evening before going to bed, I just wash my face with my favorite facial wash. Then, instead of using a cleanser to cleanse my face, I did use coconut oil to do that. And guys, I was really surprised. I just took a cotton pad and I put in a little bit of my coconut oil, and I just cleansed my face with it. I cleansed my, my neck area, my whole face, my eye area. Since it's so natural, it did not irritate my eyes, and I don't forget my forehead area as well. And after that, I don't put on any cream or lotion. I just jump straight into bed. So I did this straight for 7 days, and I must say I was really amazed at how coconut oil was able to cleanse my face. Now, as you can see, the cotton pad is dirty, so it's dirt from my face. I mean, it's coconut oil. I didn't think it was going to cleanse me that well, but hey, it was great. And I must say, this is very great for those with very sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin and you don't like to use lots of cleansers, especially alcohol cleansers, this is going to be great for you. Those with very dry skin, this is going to help retain some moisture in your skin. And I must say, if you have acne prone skin, coconut oil is very light, so it doesn't sit on your skin. It doesn't leave your skin greasy. When you wake up in the morning, you can see the difference for yourself. As you can see, this is how my face looked like when I woke up in the morning, and it's not oily, it's not shiny, it's not greasy, and that is great. This is going to come in very handy, especially now that we are in the cold season. Yes, during the winter, your skin is so dry and you look like a ghost sometimes. So if you do this before going to bed, it is going to help you. I wasn't really expecting this. I realized I saw someone do it, so I decided to give it a try myself too, and I was pleasantly surprised. So you can give this a try, especially if you want to avoid fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, dark marks. This is going to help reduce the appearances of all those things. So you can just give it a try for yourself to, find out how it comes for you. I have tried it and I really love it. That is why I'm sharing this with you. Okay guys, so that is it. I hope to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.